Thank you.
This is for you, our present. Happy birthday, Susan. Happy birthday, Ate Ed. Hope you have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Happy birthday, Auntie Susan and Ate Ed. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And this is our dance for you guys. What was that?
Ganyan, di ba? Oo, ganyan. Pwede?
What happened? It's okay.
No, we did the pop-pop.
Okay, we got it. Okay, paano?
Okay, the next move is we're gonna punch. Careful.
Aerobics pa.
Sige na, si Ate Ana. Sorry, Katie. Inubo na ang